got something. There's one. Oh, I watched him eat it. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Out here on the kayak again. I know. Last time I said that the next video is probably going to be a trout fishing video because things are getting cold. Well, we woke up this morning and it was 64 degrees in central Pennsylvania, south central Pennsylvania. In early November, that's pretty odd. So Eric and I decided to get out here on the kayaks, chase some bass. We're in the same spot I was in a couple of videos ago where that bass chased it down and ate it. If you didn't see that, I'm gonna go ahead and link it up above. Check that out. Two really nice smallmouth bass that day. So we're in that same section again. We're gonna just stay around here, work it a little slower, see if we can put some more bass in the boat. Stick with us. Oh yeah, nice little creek smallie. Very nice. 4-inch?
5-inch.
5-inch. Nice. And away he goes. There's one. Oh, I watched him eat it. Yes. Oh, what a tank. Guys. Yes. Beautiful smallmouth. Beautiful. Okay, buddy. Thank you. And away he goes. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's about the size of what I caught down here earlier.
That's what I was thinking initially. But
oh wow.
now I'm thinking it's bigger.
I'm thinking that's bigger than the one I caught.
I thought at first I was going to say, it looks like 16, like you caught.
Yeah.
Now I'm thinking it looks 17, 18. Oh.
Yeah.
That's a chunk.
That is a chunk right there. Definitely wants to make me go wade through these rapids down here.
Yeah, right. That's 18.
Yeah.
Look at that black spot on the tail.
That is awesome. But
Awesome. Thanks.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Well, the one I caught down here, I saw him come get it. Like, I could see my bait, and all of a sudden I saw it. There's one. Z-Man. Nowhere near the first one, but gorgeous smallmouth. Thank you, buddy. There we go. Watched him come get it. Little guy. Boy, is he cold. Little guy. Dink. Thank you, buddy. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. 6 total fish, 1 really nice one, some other smallies, various sizes there. It's always fun to get out when you have a beautiful day like this. Little Indian summer going on here in South Central Pennsylvania. So had to get out on the kayak and take advantage of it. I don't know if you can see Eric's out there trying out the 106 pedal drive. So anyway, if you like following along with us today, give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and if you don't mind, share the channel. We're really close to that goal of 300 subscribers. Help me get there. I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.